Okay, I'm in the blizzard of 2010. So today is January 6th, I guess, and we have a huge blizzard at our place in Leesburg, Virginia. And as you can see, it's almost everything is covered with snow. And I'm pretty sure I'm having a very tough time taking this video because it's really hard. It's snowing really badly. And the snowflakes are really small, so I don't think you can see it in the video. But, you know, you can see a little bit of it. It's almost 3 foot, and if you just, if you just check my legs right there, it's my knees. I'm almost covered with snow to my knees.